This is the 4-month update of our hair transplants. All right, you guys, month 4 is the start of the growth phase, okay? As you can see, if you look at our month 2 versus our month 4 right now, we have had a lot of growth. All right, you guys, looking at old photos and seeing my hair now, it's kind of ridiculous, you know? I mean, I can't believe some of the old photos, I tried giving my number to girls. I looked completely chopped. So
You still should.
Give a number, yeah.
Well, no, I absolutely
Your
should.
hair's starting to grow in, but so is that zit right on your chin there. What is that thing?
It's because I have so much hair growth. I had an ingrown hair.
Oh, yeah.
I was definitely the thinnest on top, but you can see it's slowly coming in.
Can you put the head down?
You know, it still needs some time to grow.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's still growing, you know?
Sean's hair looks like kind of how it was before the hair transplant.
Head on, it looks exactly the same.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Comb over,
Wow.
and then there's just, the eye of Sauron in the back there.
There's not a lot of styling I can do with that.
This is what we call in Hollywood camera ready.
Yes.
I think my hair's looking great. I've got a full, a casual faux hawk from the 2000s styling right now.
Yeah, early boy band. If you've also played monkey ball, he looks like I.
That's quite a pull.
That is quite a pull. We'll put a photo.
Put
in
a
there.
picture in there. But honestly, no, I think my hair's filling in really good.
Can we go all the way to the crown? Let's see. Oh, even that filled in. Wow.
Everything is filling in good, dude.
Wow.
Believe me, I was a little worried about everything, but we're looking good.
I previously stated that I had scarring alopecia, but that was a misstatement on my part. I actually looked at the paper my dermatologist gave me again, and I have a combination of traction alopecia and androgenetic alopecia. So that is what I was diagnosed with from when she took the biopsy on my scalp. So they did a biopsy on this side and on this side. If you can, like this scar right here is from where they did the biopsy. I don't know if you can see, there's not really scarring here. I think it's somewhere here. That's where they did the biopsy. So that is the kind of alopecia I was diagnosed with. They did see scarring on the back, and even when I went to Turkey, they did see scarring on the back of my scalp. A hair transplant is ideal for anyone who has traction alopecia and androgenetic alopecia. If you have scarring alopecia, you can do a hair transplant. You just run the risk that the scarring or the inflammation is going to keep attacking those same hair follicles, and then the same thing that happened before you got the hair transplant will happen to the transplanted grafts. So that is it. If you have androgenetic alopecia, if you have traction alopecia, you're a really good candidate for a hair transplant. You do not have to get your hair cut in order for them to do a hair transplant on you. Now, for me, I opted to get my hair cut off because I was not going to be dealing with multiple textures. In order for them to do the hair transplant, they take grafts from the back of your head, the donor area, and then they implant it into wherever they're going to be doing the hair transplant. So they took the grafts from back here, right? If I had let them, they would have taken the grafts from here. It would have been bald here. There would have been long hair here, hair here. It would have looked crazy. I would have had the transplant area here. I would have had long hair here. It is much easier for me to then just cut it off. I've been bald before. That is it. There are people who opt to having just, the area and then they just kind of manage it. But to me, length is never that serious. Length is never that serious. Plus, I have been wanting to be able to treat my actual scalp for a while now. Like, I love the fact that I am bald and everything is bald because I'm able to just target my scalp specifically for everything. So I am now able to, treat that, put it with hyaluronic acid, put the aloe vera on there, just treat it and be very tender with it. And so then that when the hair does start growing, everything grows in unison, and then I'm not dealing with multiple hair textures all the time. So you do not have to get all your hair cut off. You do, depending on how many grafts they're going to be taking from your head and where the grafts are taken from, you can have them just cut off, put the implant there, but then you're just going to be dealing with multiple textures. You have to keep in mind also your recovery, what you want to deal with when you are recovering. Right? When you're washing your hair, do you want to be washing a bald spot and then dealing with like hair texture? If you want to do that, by all means, go ahead and do that. I wasn't going to do that. I would much rather just have one length. And if the length is bald, I will do that. Even now, my hair where it's growing has been growing back. I just shaved it off. I got, a buzzer, and I just shaved it off because I prefer dealing with one texture in my head. Hope that helps.
Yeah. For the city though. Yeah. You gotta light the tower up for this. Yeah. Okay. Out in the six, I'm a national treasure. That bad me gon' bad me forever. R.I.P. Kobe, but y'all brokey. That's probably why y'all be shacking together. Capo and leader got habits together like couples vacation. They packing together like brushing the.
Release your inhibitions, feel the rain on your skin. No one else can feel it for you, only you can let it in. No one else. You like me, inside me to chorus. La da 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 da. Feel much better now.
Oh, won't you stay for the ride? Cause all the views will be nice. Lend the stories that we'll tell our friends. We'll make him laugh until the party ends. Oh, won't you stay for the ride? It's do or die. Let's turn this 10 into 11 and make a jump to 7 heaven.